chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mailbag. Ooh, shit. Alright, you guys, we are back home. And we got our candles from Bath and Body Works from the Black Friday sale. Ain't so happy. I honestly thought I ordered like 6 candles, but it turns out I only ordered 4. And I really feel like, I feel like they must have ran out of my candle because I didn't get my fucking candle. I'm missing like 2 candles, but you know what? It's okay. So you guys, let me show y'all the candles that I got. So the only scent that I normally get is Champagne Toast, which is my favorite one. Oh, I love this. I love the wrapping. So I got Champagne Toast because it's literally my fave. Like, I love this thing. And then I tried some new scents. Some scents that I haven't, some scents that I've never tried before, because honestly, when I got online, like, it literally was barely anything left. So I got this holiday scent called Merry Mimosa. I wonder how it smells. I'm so nervous. Let me see. It's giving like fresh winter. That's what it's giving. It's like a fresh scent. I like that. That was a good choice. And then I know I have, this one is the eucalyptus. I've been wanting to try this one for a minute, but like I said, I always buy Champagne Toast. So, I like it. I don't care, like I don't care for this as much. I think it's the mintiness that I don't care for as much, but it's okay. I like it. Of course I'm a burn. And I got this one. I know y'all like, girl, you always buying something every other day. It is the fuck. Mind y'all business. So I also got this white gardenia, and I love gardenia. So I was like, it smells just like my wax melts. I love this. Yeah, and I have a lot of wax melts, y'all. Like a lot. I buy a lot of candles and I buy a lot of wax melts. So these are the 4 candles I got. So today, y'all, today was honestly a really busy, productive day for me. I literally worked from the time I got there to the time I left. Like from 10, I started at 10:30 all the way. I finished at 7:30. Like when I finished at 7, my class was be done by 7:30. But y'all, like, I was on a roll today. And I'm really, 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 like, just happy, you know what I'm saying? Because during this time, like, honestly, between, like, November and February, really, I would say March, too, but November and February, like, that's really slow season for us, like, nail techs, and I guess beauty professionals as well. So, like, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I've been a little nervous, but honestly, I just feel like if I just go to work, like, money gonna come to me, like, I provide a service, like, people want the service. So money flows to me always. So I just have to constantly just keep a positive mindset, positive attitude, go to work every day knowing that you're gonna leave out with some money, like, period. Like, and I don't really just, like, you know, I have my appointment days and we have walk-in days, and, you know, appointment days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and I have some select times on Wednesday. But, like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like, woo, when I don't have appointments, like that many appointments throughout the week, I get real busy on my walk-in days. So I can always tell when I'm going to be really, really busy. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm always busy on my walk-in days. Like, I just feel like I've been building up my clientele so well out in that area. Like, I'm just doing really, really great. And just truthfully. But yeah, y'all, today was like a busy day. I really didn't get to sit down and chat with y'all too much, but just a little bit. I'm not really finna chat with y'all too much tonight because honestly, I ordered me some DoorDash. DoorDash met me at the house, period, on the way here. So I got my DoorDash. I'm literally finna just fold these clothes up real quick, take a shower, eat, and then I'm just gonna vibe out for the rest of the evening because I'm gonna get up tomorrow and just be prepared for the day because there's things that I need to do in the morning as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this an early night because I've been tired all day, y'all, like all day. But I do hope that y'all had a very productive day. I'm continuously trying to stay motivated in my craft, not necessarily like doing it, just more so always trying to find something else to do as far as like being creative. So yeah, y'all, I'm just, you know, going with the motions and flowing. And y'all, I know y'all see that I'm almost at 900 subscribers already, period. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like, this YouTube shit is kind of hard. Like, you know, it ain't kind of hard. It is hard. Like, a lot of these folks on here make this shit look easy, but it's really not easy. Like, I'm just trying to figure out how do I get boosted up into the algorithm? Like, how do more people see my videos? Because I've been told, like, for people who I know that watch my vlogs, they're like, bro, you got good vlogs. Like, and people who watch my vlogs, they be like, you know, you really do have good vlogs. Like, and I'm just trying to figure out why everybody ain't watching me yet. Like, where y'all at? What y'all doing? But anywho, I'm gonna post. Well, y'all, no, I have another vlog I'm finna post for y'all to see tomorrow. So y'all are gonna see me this post. Let's see, either Friday or Saturday. And then y'all, Saturday we having a girls' night out, so I'm gonna take y'all with me out Saturday for the day. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna call it, you know, a day. And I'm just gonna vibe out for the rest of the evening and just chill, and also probably work on my vlog as well, so I can have it posted for tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, that's all for me. I'm gonna spell this again. I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next vlog. Bye.